Welcome back to the channel. Maintaining cargo stripping pumps. These pumps are crucial not for bulk transfer, but for removing the final quantity of cargo, the residue or strippings, from the bottom of cargo tanks, ensuring maximum discharge efficiency and minimal remaining on board quantity, or OB. Their proper maintenance is key to compliance and profitability. Stripping pumps typically face challenging conditions. They must handle highly viscous fluids, often at high temperatures, and they must deal with the inherent presence of air and vapors as the tanks empty. This combination requires specialized pump designs and meticulous upkeep. While various types are used, the most common stripping pumps are either positive displacement types, like screw pumps or reciprocating pumps, or self-priming centrifugal pumps. Positive displacement pumps are inherently better at handling air and maintaining suction lift under tough conditions, making them ideal for stripping. Maintenance begins with the pump's sealing system. Due to the volatile and often corrosive nature of the cargo, the mechanical seals or gland packing are critical. Seals must be inspected regularly for leaks and replaced immediately if failure occurs. Leaking cargo is an environmental hazard and a major safety risk. For positive displacement pumps, maintaining the internal clearances is vital. Wear between the screws, rotors, or pistons and the casing reduces the pump's capacity and its ability to pull a vacuum, a key requirement for effective stripping. During overhaul, internal components are inspected for wear, pitting, and corrosion. Worn rotors and casings must be renewed to restore the pump's volumetric efficiency. The suction and discharge strainers must be regularly cleaned. Particulate matter from the cargo can easily clog the strainers, starving the pump and causing cavitation or loss of suction. Engineers must adhere to strict cleaning schedules, especially when changing between different grades of cargo. A common operational error is running the pump dry. Although stripping pumps are designed to handle vapor, prolonged dry running will damage the internal parts, particularly the seals. Procedures must mandate that the pump is stopped immediately once suction is completely lost. By focusing on maintaining internal clearances, ensuring seal integrity, and managing the suction line, the stripping pump remains ready to execute its vital final sweep of the cargo tank. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.